नमो नमः। द्वितीयः पाठः. In first lesson, we have learned to make sentences with pronouns and nouns with third person. We operated only with third person. Now we are going to learn first person and second person. Second person is tvam. You can use tvam gacchasi. Tvam will be again in singular, dual and plural form. So accordingly, we will learn to make sentences. Tvam pathasi. As balakaha gacchati, we can say in second person tvam pathasi. Yuvam pathatha. Yuyam pathatha. In first person, aham. Aham is pronoun for first person. Aham pathami. Avam pathavaha. Vayam pathamaha. As we have operated with patha, we can take another verb, that is likha, khada, gama. For example, tvam gacchasi, yuvam gachatha, yuyam gachatha. Aham gacchami, avam gacchavaha, vayam gacchamaha. Just like that, likhamaha, likhatha, likhathaha, likhavaha. It will go on. Just practice with us. Friends, you must be writing a lot with us to practice, to make many sentences in Sanskrit. I know you wish to converse, so we are going to provide you some lekhana niyamaha. Lekhana niyamaha is rules of writing. You are supposed to follow some rules about anuswaraha. For example, whenever the vowel is further, you are supposed to replace anuswara by m, that is m. As we have seen in Prathama Patha, this sign is, it denotes that m is half. So half m is Just like that, if you want to say modakam, if asti is there, then it follows by vowel. You will have to write modakam asti. If you want to say modakam ichhati, then e is also vowel. You will have to write m. Modakam ichhati. Modakam dadati. Then you are supposed to give anuswara Then m is not to be written. Got it? You will have to follow this. Friends, in the beginning we have learned to make questions as balakaha gacchati, kaha gacchati, yanam gacchati, kim gacchati. But here we are going to learn to make questions for confirmation. For example, balakaha asti. If you ask balakaha asti kim, then you are going to confirm. Balakaha pathati. Balakaha pathati kim, then you are going to confirm. So this question making, you have to use kim or va. At the place of kim, you can use va also. Saha balakaha va. Balakaha pathati va. Adya agachati va. Pathati va. So this confirming will be comfortable for you by using kim and va. Friends, you have learned to use tvam. Tvam pathasi. Tvam gacchasi. Tvam likhasi. But in day-to-day life, every time we cannot call every person as tvam. You know this. So for respect, for giving respect, you will have to say bhavan. So this bhavan is very exclusive word. You are going to use it at the place of second person. Still, you are not supposed to use pathasi. Second person verbs suffix. You are not supposed to use it. So how will you use it? Bhavan pathati. Tvam pathasi will be replaced respectfully. Bhavan pathati. So now you can ask anyone, Bhavan pathati kim? Bhavan gacchati kim? Bhavan agacchati. Bhavan gacchatu. Just to order him. Let's see that. So while using Bhavan, now you can order anyone, Bhavan gacchatu, Bhavan pathatu, Bhavan agacchatu. Be comfortable with Sanskrit. Bhavan pathatu, Bhavan agacchatu, Bhavati pathatu. This Bhavati is in feminine. This is masculine, and for feminine word it is Bhavati. Bhavati agacchati kim? So Bhavati will be used always for feminine.